Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to call in Google Chat application. Okay, first of all, you can open your Google Chat application on your phone, and then you're going to select a contact on your Google Chat you want to call. And for example, I'm just going to call this contact or this account. And if you want to search for an account, you just need to click on the search button right here, and you can type the email address of the account you want to call. And I'm gonna go with this account or this contact, so we can tap on the contact like this, and you're going to click on this call button or this call icon to start the call. Okay, and now the call is being started, and I'm just going to end the call. And I guess that's how we can call in Google Chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.